First thing you're going to want to do is open a beer. Okay guys, we're here in the LeRoy and Lewis commissary kitchen with New Belgium and with Southern Smoke and with ATX Love Local. We're going to make a couple really cool dishes. The first one's going to be kind of styled after a Colombian hot dog. I ate a couple of these at this place in Tallahassee called Super Perros. And the idea was like a hot dog right on a bigger bun with canned pineapple and crushed potato chips and a coleslaw and a bunch of all this cool stuff. Then we're going to take the pantry approach. Things that we have around here are Martin's potato bread, Hoagie Rolls, smoked sausage from LeRoy and Lewis, some barbecue potato chips, some scallions we're going to go on top, 1554 Dark Ale, alright, barbecue sauce and mayo, some yellow mustard, Casper Fermentables, Turmeric, Kraut. Some lovely swag. I got 1554 here. We're going to bring it to a simmer. So I'm going to cut this sausage pretty big. I want it to basically fit my bun. I'm going to probably cut it about that big. This has been smoked already. It hasn't been cooked a second time, so it's kind of like half cooked. It's already like firmed up. I just want to basically cook it all the way through. We're going to do that in the beer. While the sausage is simmering away, I'm going to get a little toast on our bun. I'm just going to pop it in an oven. It's set pretty high, but it's not going to be in there long. Just want to give these green onions a slice. Okay, we're about halfway done steaming up, boiling up these little smoky sausages here. I'm just going to flip them over, and they look really good. They're going to bulge it out like that on the tip. That's what you want. Beer brats. Just want to taste some of this Kraut real quick. Oh my god. Yes. God, why is that so good? Alright, I want you guys to see something real quick. This just came out of the oven, okay? After toasting. This is an infrared thermometer, okay? 124. Alright? It's not too crunchy. It's just kind of like soft and warm. That's what you want in a hot dog bun. Inside, about 120. I mean, you don't have to laser point all of your buns, but that's what I really like in a hot dog bun. If it's like a little bit toasty and warm, not crunchy, not just steamed, just a little bit of texture and nice and warm. Okay, these babies have been cooking for quite a while. Yep. Okay, here's the very, very exciting part where everything comes together. We've got our beautiful beer simmered dog. Our beautiful, nice toasted bun. We got our dog. He's nice and curling up. He's smiling. Look at that beautiful color. Next, we're going to go on with some of our pink sauce. Yellow mustard. Crushed potato chips. Green onions. And there we have it. Beautiful, kind of Colombian Super Perro inspired dog that we made with some awesome New Belgium beer. Give me a shout out right here.